Hello and welcome to the Canadian Guide to Speaking Swiss German. I've been trying to speak Swiss German for 10 years, and with these tips, you can too. Some expats might say, hey, but everyone around here speaks English. Why should I bother to learn Swiss German? Sure, you can get away with it for a little while, but the disappointment that you will see in the eyes of the Swiss will be directly proportional to the amount of years that you have been here without having learned a local language. For example, this is what it looks like when you tell someone you've been here for a year without having learned Swiss German. This would be 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 30 years. Can you deal with that level of disappointment? I personally could not. So here's what you have to do. Drink lots of water. You will be making this sound a lot. Number 2, mumble. Just run your words together. Nobody will notice you using the wrong article if you barely even say it. Ja, das geht so vom Tisch. Ja, das geht so vom Tisch. Don't remember a word? Just use the English word but pronounce it in a Swiss way. You're not even cheating. Swiss people do this all of the time. Here are some words that I have actually heard actual Swiss people use. Tip number 4, if you remember the word but don't remember how it's pronounced, just say it any way you like. 5, 5, 5. The Swiss are used to hearing many different dialects and probably won't even notice. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. The Swiss are so impressed that anyone's bothering to learn Swiss German, they will forgive you for almost anything. Unless, of course, you're German.